Hi, today we're going to be making this folded paper jumping frog. You can see this one I have finished. I have my fingers pressed down on his back, holding him down, and when I release him, he'll jump. Now if I would press down harder, he would jump higher, but I didn't press down hard and release him fast because I didn't want him to move out of the picture too quickly. Okay, so let's get you started. You're going to need a green piece of paper, and you can see that I've cut it in a square, and each of my sides is 7 inches long. Okay, once you get that square cut, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your paper and fold it in half. Okay, so you can just line up your edges and then press down and fold that. Okay, so it's like this. Then you're going to open that up, and now you're going to fold it. See, this is your fold. You're going to fold it the other way in half and crease it. Okay, and then you're going to open that up, and you can see that I've made like a plus sign on my paper. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take each corner and bring it to the center and then crease it on the end. I'm going to do that for all 4 corners. Okay, and once you get that done, it's going to look like that. And then I'm going to turn it so it kind of looks like a diamond. Okay, I'm going to get my finger out of the way so you can see I've turned it sideways. And then I'm going to take, let me see if I can hold my camera with my legs. I'm going to take my side here and I'm going to fold it from this tip. And see how I'm lining this side? It was this side. I'm lining that up with that middle line, and then I'm going to press down. Okay, so it looks like that. Then I'm going to do the same with the other one. I'm going to take this side and I'm going to bring it to the center, and then I'm going to crease this edge. Okay, so now you look like that. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bottom here and I'm going to fold it up. Right here is going to be where my fold is. So I'm going to bring that up, and again I'm going to crease it. Okay, we'll zoom in a little bit. Then this point right here, I'm going to bring down to this line on the bottom. So I'm going to bring this down to the bottom, and then I'm going to crease right there. So right now your frog looks like that. Okay, the next part is kind of the hardest part really, because you have so much paper right now that it's kind of bulky. But you're going to take this corner and you're going to bring it over here to the center. Okay, I'm going to have to play with it a little bit because there's so much paper there. Bring that to the center, and then I'm going to crease right along there. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same to the other side. I'm going to bring this corner into the center. Okay, so now it looks like that. All right, so then the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this part right here where my fingers are, and I'm going to fold this bottom up to here. Okay, so I'm going to bring that up, and it's really thick, so it's getting a little bit harder to fold. And kind of crease the bottom if you can. Then I'm going to turn this down and crease it again. All right, now you're not going to be able to let that go because it's going to fly if you do. Your last step in the folding is to take this tip and you're going to bring it down here. Okay, and then that finishes our folding part. All right, now I'm going to hold everything. I'm going to carefully turn him over so that I can decorate him. And if you don't want to decorate yours, that's all right. You can leave it plain. But I'm going to take a green marker Just give him some kind of spots on his back. Put a few on this side. Make him look a little bit more like a frog. All right, then you can make eyes with white paper, which is what I did on this one. And I just used black marker to color in his eyes. Or today I'm gonna go ahead and use my sticker eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel a couple of those off and stick them on my frog. You'll notice I'm still holding his back legs down because I don't want that to unfold. Okay, so there's my frog. He's all finished. Now, you have your fingers on this back. Let me go ahead and zoom back out. If you push down on his legs real hard and let go, he will fly, okay? Now, I've gotten mine to jump a couple feet into the air, depending on how hard you push, and then release him fast. That one's not going as far this time, which is probably good because he'll jump off my table. But you can have a lot of fun with those. See how far you can get them to jump. You could even pretend, I have this scrap of green, I could pretend this is a lily pad, if I cut it into a lily pad shape, and I could even try to do a little bit of targeting and see if I can get my frog onto the lily pad. That was actually pretty good, except he's upside down. All right, so I hope you have fun with your frog. If you can take a picture and post it when you're finished, that would be awesome. We'd love to see it. All right, have fun.